Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a sketch with the grid method. This powerful technique is a fantastic way to accurately transfer any image onto your drawing surface. By breaking down a complex picture into smaller, more manageable squares, you can ensure that your proportions are spot on and your final sketch looks just right. It's a foundational skill for many artists, making detailed work much less intimidating. First, gather your reference image, a ruler, and two pencils, one light and one darker. Print your reference photo to the size you want your final drawing to be. Next, carefully draw a grid of equally sized squares over your reference image. For example, you might use 1-inch squares. Then, draw an identical grid with the same number of squares onto your drawing paper. Now the magic begins. Look at your reference image and pick one square to start with. Carefully observe the lines and shapes within that single square. Then, draw only those lines and shapes into the corresponding square on your drawing paper. Work your way across the grid, square by square, connecting the lines as you go. Remember to use a very light pencil for these initial lines. With your entire image transferred, it's time to refine your work. Gently erase your grid lines, being careful not to smudge your drawing. Now, you can add all the intricate details, textures, and shading that bring your sketch to life. Step back and check your proportions from a distance, making any final adjustments. Your accurate, grid-assisted sketch is now complete.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.